Welcome to the replay. Hey guys, so today I wanted to jump on live to do some tie-dyeing with this chalk stuff. So I am going to quickly share this video. There we go. Don't you just love when your computer freezes? I'm wearing my Chalk Tour apron today because I don't want to get my clothes dirty. Okay. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to be making some coasters. And we're going to use these fun transfers, which are part of the Explore transfer. I do love these. This one says Adventure Vibes. This one says Wander. This one says Say Yes to Adventure. And then we have Wild and Free is the way to be. Okay, so I want to show you guys how to tie-dye because this is super cool. And it just shows how versatile this stuff is. So, all right, so I picked out a yellow color. This is Bumblebee. I picked out a blue color. This is Peacock. And I picked out a pink. This is Wildberry. And a purple. This is Grape Soda. Okay, so let me prep my first one here. And I'm just going to peel the transfer, put it on here like so. Make sure it's centered how I want it. That looks good. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to put a little bit of each color on here. So let's start with pink. And I'm just going to put a little pink here, a little pink here, a little here, and rinse that off. And moving on to the next color. I've got the blue now. And stir this up a little bit. Get a little bit of blue. I'm going to put a little bit of blue here and there. Always wipe off your excess into the jar because you really don't use a lot, and so it's a great way to save on the chalk. I'm telling you, these jars will last you a very long time because you don't use a lot. So I was really disappointed because today I was supposed to have my first craft show and I was super excited about it, super pumped. I was prepping like all week for this. And it got canceled, well, not canceled, it got rescheduled due to rain. So we're supposed to have a rainstorm today. It definitely rained last night, which sucked again because I had tickets to see Dierks Bentley and Lanco, and I was pretty excited about it. But we had lawn tickets and it poured all night long. So we didn't go, which kind of unfortunate because I really wanted to. But, oh well. I'm also pregnant right now, so when I got home from work yesterday, I was so tired and crabby. So, concert might have not been the best idea. Put a little here and a little here. All right, wipe off the excess. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is start to smear a little bit of it together. You can use your finger. I'm actually an avid user of the finger for rubbing colors together. I don't know why, but it's super easy, and guess what? Hands are washable. So, but today for these purposes, I'm going to show you how to use this tool. So basically what I'm going to do now that I have the colors all on there, I'm just going to like mix them a little bit. So I'm going to mix a little bit here, mix a little bit here. Just going to like kind of blend them in together a little bit. Enough that I'm not going to create like some disgusting color. But yeah, you just want to mix them up a little bit so you get the colors blended, and make sure that your transfer is covered. My little baby boy is whining down here. So yeah, so now that the whole transfer is covered, I am going to take my squeegee and squeegee all of this off. And now the awesome thing about this is it is chalk. So see how I got like a little bit on the edge right there? I can literally just wipe that off. So here we go. Let's peel this off and let's take a look at how our tie-dye turned out. Oops. I'm excited. How cool is that? Okay, so I am going to take a little Q-tip here and just a little bit of, I really don't even need water. And I'm just going to wipe off the little mistakes that I made because it's chalk, so it wipes off. Now, if I want, since I'm making coasters, I'm going to end up sealing these because I obviously don't want the transfer to come off. Or I'm sorry, the chalk to come off. So I'm going to seal these and I will show you. Okay, look how awesome that is. You see that? The tie-dye we just did? Oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so then what I end up doing is I take this, which you got here, this clear sealer that I use by Valspar, Divine Colors. It's a clear sealer. So I literally just spray one coat over this, let it dry, and I've already made a set of these coasters, so I can tell you from experience that I have tested them with glasses of water, you know, a glass that's been perspirating overnight. So this has gotten like completely wet with drink dew, if you will, condensation off the glass, and they're still in perfect condition. So it's not smearing, it's not removing it, it's not doing anything. So these work awesome. So I also will put little feet on the bottom to make these complete. So let's do one more, and then I will let you guys back to your Saturday. Don't want to hold you up for the whole set of 4, but I am excited about this tie-dye idea. So let's try another one. Which one do we want to do? Do we want to do the Adventure Vibes, Wanderer, or Wild and Free? Adventure Vibes? You got it. All right. So again, super easy, just peel it off. Going to make sure it's centered how we want it. Put it on there. All right, and now back to our colors. I'm gonna go with yellow first this time. A little bit. There, there, there. Wiping off my excess. Yeah, so like I was saying, I was supposed to have my first craft fair today, and I was super excited about it, like super pumped. And like, I prepped so much for it. But it's supposed to rain all day today, so they postponed it to next weekend. So, I mean, now I have another week of prep, which is great, but I was ready to just do it today. Because now I'm going to stress about it for another week. So, because that's what I do. I get stressed out about stuff. That's me. Oh my God. So I'll be probably talking about that again and showing more pictures of the stuff that I'm prepping for it. I'm also going to be starting to do the paint, or not paint, chalk classes, kind of similar to paint night. And so I'm excited about that. Let's get a little pink up in here. All right. And now for some blue. I love how like washable this stuff is, because it's not like paint like getting all over everything. It comes off, and the only like I said, if you want it to be permanent, guess what? You can make it permanent by sealing it. So that's what I think is awesome, is like you can leave it as a chalk, and where you can change it out. So like if you have a board or something that you want to do, and you want to be able to like change it out for the seasons or whatever, you can do that because it wipes right off. And actually I'm going to make a video for you guys about how to do that, how to wipe it off, how easy, so I can show you how easy it is to wipe off. Okay, so now that we have covered it with all of our colors that we wanted, going to smear it in a little bit so that everything is covered. I want to make sure that the whole transfer is covered, and I want to make sure that the colors are blended together to give it that tie-dye look. And the cool part is that when you blend colors together, they make other colors. So now I'm getting some green in there, which is pretty fun. All right, looks like we've covered everything. So now we're going to squeegee off all the excess and then peel off our transfer. Okay. All right, here we go. How beautiful is that? Oh, I love it. I'm going to be addicted to this tie-dyeing thing. And since it's chalk, look, I just got rid of that little mark that I had. Okay, so check this one out. How pretty. So I'm going to finish the whole set. And then I will post a picture of the set for you guys so you can see how the rest of it turned out. But I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how easy it is to blend colors and make different effects with this chalk. If you guys have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to me or comment below. But thanks for watching, and I'm going to go ahead and finish these up. And I hope to hear from some of you guys today. Thanks. Cheers! Have a great day!